Start with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. How are you, dear students? Today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of fractions. How to add fractions. So my dear, it is the addition and subtraction of fraction. It is little bit different from the simple addition and subtraction, but it is very easy. Just you need to concentrate. If you will watch the video attentively, you will understand the addition and subtraction. I would like to explain you by using some easy tricks and hope you will enjoy the lesson. So let's start. We will start from the simple examples. So there are I will write a question. For example, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. Add this fraction. There are two fractions, add them. So my dear, if such type of fractions are there, so if the denominator is same, it is very easy. Just write the same denominator and add the numerator. So 2 plus 1, it is equal 3. 2 plus 1, 3, and same. So 3 by 3 is equal 1. Is equal 1. Clear, my dear? So after that, I would like to write another example with subtraction. For example, 7 over 9 minus 5 over 9. The denominator is same. If the denominator is same, we will write the same denominator, and the numerator we will do the given operation. So what is the operation? 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 equal 2 over 9. So this is our answer. So these are the fractions if the denominator is already same. So look there, another question. 5 over 6 plus 3 over 12. Look, my dear, now the denominator is not same. Denominator is not same. So there are different ways, but I recommend you use this way. You can make the denominator same. It will be easiest one. Okay, second thing, if you don't want to make the denominator same, check the big number. If the small number is divisible by the big number, so the big number will be LCM. So I will not use this method. I will use the same trick. We will make the both denominator same. So 6 and this is 12. So 12 is big and 6 is small. So 6 multiply by a number and we will get 12. So because this is 6, we want to make 6 12. So 6 multiply what? 6 multiply 12. 6 multiply 2. It is equal 12. So it means if we will multiply this fraction, so then denominator will be same. So let's see, I will not multiply only the denominator. When we are going to multiply or divide, we will multiply numerator and denominator. So 5 multiply 2 divide by 6 multiply 2. Why I multiplied? To make the denominator same. Plus 3 over 12. This fraction will be same. So I only change this fraction. Why? Just I want to make the denominator same. 5 times 2, 10. 6 times 2, 12. Plus 3 over 12. Look, the denominator is same. If the denominator is same, so we can use the same method. We will write the same denominator and we will do with the numerator the same operation. 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3 equal, numerator is big. If the numerator is big, the fraction will be mixed number. So you can write it in whole numbers. So it will be 1 whole number 1 over 12. So this one, how to do this one? So you can divide by using the long division. 13 divide by 12. Because it was simple, I did myself directly. So just I want to explain a little bit how I wrote this one. So 12 times 1 equal 12. 12 times 2, 24. That is bigger than 13. So 12 times 1 equal 13. So 12, sorry, 12 times 1 equal 12. So 13 minus 12 equal 1. So this one I will write here as a whole, and this one will be the denominator of the given fraction. Okay my dear, so this will be our answer. So let's see one more example with subtraction. So this is a question 13 over 15 minus 7 over 11. My dear, I wrote little bit big. So one more thing, I wrote here 11. 11 is a prime number. You cannot multiply with any number, you cannot get 15 because it is a prime number. And even those, if sometimes it is not, when you will multiply the small number with any number, you will not get the equal to the big number. Then what will we do? We will multiply this fraction with this denominator and the first fraction with the second denominator. Let's see, to make the denominator same, what will we do? 13 multiply 11 over 15 multiply 11. First fraction with the second denominator minus second fraction with the first fraction denominator. So 11 multiply 15. When we will multiply, so automatically the denominator of both fraction will be same. So now we will multiply 11 multiply 13. So 11 multiply 3, 33. 3 here and 3 is extra. So 11 multiply 1, 11 plus 3, 14. Divide by 11 multiply 5, 55. So 5 here and 1, 5 is extra. So 11 multiply 1, 11 plus 5, that is 16. Minus. Now 7 multiply 15. 7 multiply 5, 35. 5 here and 3 extra. 7 multiply 1, 7 plus 3, 10. Divide by 11 multiply 15 we did here, it will be say 165. Look, now the denominator is same. If the denominator is same, we will use the same technique. We will write the denominator 165 and we will do with the denominator the given operation 143 minus 105. So it will be equal, you can subtract 3 minus 5, it is not possible. Let me show you. 143 105. 3 minus 5, it is not possible because 3 is small. We will take 1, borrow 1 from the next number. So it was 4, now it became 3 because we took already 1. So 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 equal 8. So 3 minus 0, 3. So it is equal 38. Divide by 165. So now you can check if it is, we can simplify, you can simplify. If it is not possible to simplify, so this is our answer. Clear my dear? Hope you understand the subtraction and the addition of fractions. It is very simple my dear and it is very easy. So I would like to teach you also the multiplication and division of the fractions. So let's see, I would like to write question multiplication and division of fractions. It will be, my dear, the multiplication is very easy. Only the problem was with the subtraction and addition little bit, but as I told you and as I explained you, it is very easy. Just follow my trick and you will able to solve all kind of subtraction addition of fractions. So my dear, now we are going to try to learn the multiplication. There is given a fraction 2 over 5 multiply 4 over 7. So multiplication, my dear, it is very easy. Just denominator multiply with denominator and denominator multiply with the denominator. So 2 multiply 4 equal 8. 5 multiply 7 equal 35. This is our answer. Both 8 and 35 we cannot simplify. So this is our answer. Let's see one more question. 9 over 11 multiply 6 over 5. So 9 multiply 6, numerator multiply with the nominator. So first fraction numerator will multiply with the second numerator of the second fraction. So 9 multiply 6 equal 54. Divide by 11 multiply 5 equal 55. Clear, my dear? So this is our answer. We cannot simplify it. Clear? So now we will try to learn the division of the fractions. So division little bit different, but you will see it will be very easy. And the question is 5 over 7 divide 3 over 4. So it is division. So that division directly you cannot solve. You have to change division into multiplication. How to change? Let's see. We will write the first fraction same and change the sign of division into multiplication. Divide sign will change into multiplying sign. So after changing the sign, the second fraction numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. So it will be 4 over 3. First fraction will be same, change the sign, multiply change into divide, and second fraction, the denominator will become the numerator and the numerator will become the denominator. So now after changing into multiplication, we will do same thing. 5 multiply 4 equal 20. 7 multiply 3 equal 21. This is our answer. Clear, my dear? Let's see one more question. One more question. It is 9 over 15 divide 7 over 8. So as I told you, we will change multiplication in division into multiplication. So what will we do? Why we will write the first fraction same, 9 over 15, and change the sign. The second fraction, denominator will become the numerator and the numerator will become the denominator. So 8 over 7. This is the rule. So let's see now. Directly we will multiply. 9 multiply 8 equal 72. If you know the tables, multiplication tables, you can multiply directly. And 7 multiply 15. If you don't know the 15's table, you can multiply. 7 multiply 5, 35. 5 here and 3 extra. 7 multiply 1, 7 plus 3 equal 10. So 72 and 105. Let's check. Can we simplify 72 and 105? We cannot divide by 2 because 72 is divisible by 2, but 105 it is not divisible by 2. Check on 3. 7 plus 2 equal 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 5 plus 1 equal 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So both numbers, numerator and denominator, are divisible by 3. So we can simplify. Let's simplify. 72 105. So divide by 3. Divide by 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. It is 7. So 1 extra, it became 12. So 3 times 4 equal 12. It means 24 multiply 3 equal 72. Now 105. 1 is smaller than 3. It will become 10. 3 times 3 equal 9. So 1 remainder. So it became 15. 3 times 5 equal 15. So it is 24 divided by 35. So we cannot simplify more. It is not divisible by both numbers by 2, not 3, and not on 5. So this is our answer. After multiplication, we have to check if the fraction is we can simplify. We have to simplify, and after simplification the final answer will be our real answer. My dear, hope you understand fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I taught you the 4 concept with a short time. So my dear, please continue watching our lessons, try to learn more and more, and we are helping you as much as we can. Goodbye, thank you so much. See you with the next video next time. Take care, goodbye.